Hello, welcome to Pulse Automation and Services. We are going to present fully automatic cutting machine or bandsaw machine. In previous video we had seen basic detail and overview of fully cutting machine. If you still didn't watch that video, then please click on right top side link and watch. So here we are showing HMI screen of this machine, and there are included many safety features and operating features. This is basic menu screen. In this menu scene, left side is date and right side clock. As well as below side some function like machine view, panel view, cycle time, work counter, alarm history and log table. And top side of the screen is alarm and warning messages of the machine. Now let's go to the machine view. In the machine view, there are machine cylinders, sensors, and basic operation panel. So in this screen we can see the operating and key condition of the machine. There is also scale given to see the measurement of bar cutting dot, and there is also we can see cycle time when machine running in auto mode. Now let's go to the another page, panel view. In the panel view, we can see the all operating buttons and status or position of cylinders. We can operate machine in manual, semi-auto, or in jog mode through this screen. Also here is the status of cutting blade OK or broken. We can see, if broken, machine will give alarm. Now let's go to another screen. Next screen is for cycle time history. Here the great function is available to see each cutting cycle time history. This history we can see 1000 and more data as per the requirements. It's available with clock time, so customer can trace it if any issue came. Let's go to next screen now. Next screen is work counter. In this screen we can set number of cutting and set length of cutting. So machine will cut the bar as per set data. You can see here blade life and current position of scale cylinder. We will see what is first part check in detailed in next session. After finish the auto cycle, and if you want to change blade life data you can press and hold clear data button for 3 seconds. So data will be clear. Either whenever blade will be broken that counter will be 0. In alarm history screen, machine present and past alarms and warning messages available with time, and also indicate recover time and date. So this has become very useful tool for repair. Next screen is log table. In this screen, operation log data available with date and time. This is history available when machine are doing malfunctioning or debugging. Sometimes machine problems come due to wrong operation and wrong data or something else. In that case, when we trace the fault using this last operation data, according to time and date, we can know the real path of that issue. So this is very important in some case. Here is every history available of the machine operation, including how many time operator pressing push buttons and switching. So it's very easy to identify fault.